Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Spotify account on a PC step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Spotify website. On the Spotify homepage, look for the sign up option and click on it. This will open the account creation page. Here, Spotify will ask you to enter some basic information. First, enter your email address in the email field. Next, create a strong password for your new Spotify account. After that, enter your date of birth as requested. You may also need to select your gender from the available options. Once you have entered the required information, click the Next or Continue button to move forward. Spotify may then show additional account setup options. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen to continue creating your account. You may also be asked to choose your favorite artists or music preferences. These selections can help Spotify recommend music based on your interests. After completing the required steps, your Spotify account will be created. You can then use your email address and password to log in to Spotify and access the home page. From the home page, you can search for songs, artists, albums, playlists, and podcasts. One important tip is to keep your password private and never share your login information with anyone. Also, when recording a tutorial, make sure your personal email address and password are not visible on the screen. And that's how you can create a Spotify account on a PC. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.